The 2000 for P Texas Quarter is a highly sought-after coin among collectors, and for good reason. As part of the 50 State Quarters program, this coin was minted to commemorate the 15th anniversary of the United States Mints America the Beautiful Quarters program, and to celebrate the great state of Texas. Its unique design and limited mintage have made it a standout among other state quarters. One common misconception about the 2004 P Texas Quarter is that it's extremely rare and highly valuable. While it's true that some versions of the coin are hard to find, the reality is that many of these quarters are still circulating, and their value may not be as high as you think. In fact, the 2000 for P Texas Quarter is not even the rarest or most valuable quarter out there. Another misconception is that the coin's value is solely determined by its condition and rarity. The condition do play a role, but there's more to it than that. Some collectors may think that the 2000 for P Texas Quarter is particularly valuable because of its age or historical significance. That's not entirely accurate either. What's more, several factors contribute to a coin's value, and it's essential to consider all of them when evaluating the 2000 for P Texas. The Texas Quarter features a unique design that showcases the state's rich history and culture. On one side, you have the standard Washington portrait, while the other side depicts a buffalo and a cowboy, paying homage to the state's cattle industry. The 2004 P Texas Quarter was minted in Philadelphia and has a relatively high mintage, which affects its value. An interesting fact is that some of these coins contain a special error that makes them highly valuable to collectors. The history of the Texas Quarter is fascinating, and understanding its background can help you appreciate its significance. So, what's the most surprising feature about the 2000 for P Texas Quarter? Many collectors might not know that some of these coins were minted with a peculiar error that makes them extremely rare. This error occurred when a die was misaligned, causing the coin's design to be slightly off-center. If you suspect you have one of these coins, get it evaluated by a professional. These coins with the error are extremely valuable among collectors, and their value can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Identifying one of these coins requires a keen eye and expertise in numismatics, even if you don't have one of these rare coins. Knowing about this error can make your coin collecting journey more exciting. The 2000 for P Texas holds a special place in the world of coin collecting. From its unique design to its potential errors, there's more to this coin than meets the eye. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of the 2004 P Texas can help you make informed decisions. If you have any thoughts about the 2004 P Texas Quarter or other coins that fascinate you, I'd love to hear them in the comments below.